I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by testing water and clearing what you can see. That immediate action prevents more work later. Use a test kit to get pH and free chlorine numbers so you know what to correct. Skim leaves, vacuum dirt, and empty skimmer baskets now, because circulation only helps if water can move. Once done, make sure the pump and filter run for 8-12 hours to mix chemicals and start the balancing process. You now balance the chemistry and maintain filtration to clear cloudy issues. Lower pH with acid or raise with soda ash so chlorine works efficiently. Alkalinity acts like a buffer, so correct that first. Add chlorine or shock according to pool size and contamination level. This kills bacteria and organics. Meanwhile, check filter pressure. Backwash or clean cartridges when pressure climbs, because a clogged filter prevents debris removal and wastes chemicals. You finish by establishing a simple routine that keeps water clear without drama. Test weekly and log numbers so small adjustments prevent big swings. Run the pump daily and clean the filter monthly. Use a cover to reduce debris and sunlight-driven algae growth. If water turns cloudy, test first and then shock to raise free chlorine. Run the filter continuously and add a clarifier if particles persist. If problems continue, test for combined chlorine or algae and treat accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.